Hi, good morning. I'm Ryan Lee, and I'm a U.S. partner and advisor of Wizbl. And before I start talk about our blockchain platform, I'd like to go over about crypto industry overall. So as of today, just a couple of days ago, the cryptocurrency market has been around $296 billion. And lately, it has been just get stuck around $300 billion. And I think many people agree that the cryptocurrency market has potential to grow up to $6.7 trillion. It's not the number from out of nowhere. Actually, that's the number of the combined value of stock on NASDAQ back in 2010. So I think there's much more potential that it can grow much bigger than that. But why we stuck here? I think there are couple reasons, but one of the main barrier to put the crypto market to grow even bigger is the transaction scalability. Because when you compare to blockchain technology to traditional payment gateway system, Bitcoin can only do 7 transactions per second, and Ethereum can do 20 per second. And PayPal can do 193, and Visa Network can 24,000. So as of today, maybe small size, medium size enterprise can benefit from blockchain technology. But when the bigger size, big enterprise tries to use the blockchain technology, they need more scalability. And let me just go over the generation of the blockchain. The Bitcoin is the first generation, is a transaction ledger. And second generation, as everybody aware, is Ethereum, because Ethereum has a smart contract on it. So now we start the blockchain technology all over the industry. And third generation is US Cosmos, better governance. And blockchain 4.0 is still cross-chain multi-infrastructure. But finally, we have the fifth generation, blockchain 5.0, Wizbl. Wizbl can do 1 million TPS, and it's just beginning. It can do potentially to unlimited TPS, and it is multi-layer chain, and it's large-scale business-oriented. It has artificial intelligence on the chain, and it is real-time processing. So it's my honor, great pleasure to introduce Wizbl to the audience. And let me introduce what Wizbl is.
The new blockchain system for a long time, and we discovered a fundamental problem. The true dispersion has not been fulfilled. Introducing the 5th generation of blockchain technology, Wizbl. Wizbl, offering a true dispersion ecosystem that generates near immediate transaction speeds through a decentralized ledger verification system. Compared to Bitcoin's block time, Wizbl generates network blocks 600 times faster on the network. It takes an average of 1 second for this process to complete. The fastest blockchain, Wizbl. Wizbl will be creating and expanding a newer and more independent blockchain ecosystem.
And this is the Wizbl. And now I'd like to share the video, Why Wizbl.
The future of blockchain. Why Wizbl blockchain technology? As the future is imminent, we already know how it will unfold. Current society is defined as the information age, where security and speed is valued. Wizbl has found the answer and has prepared the technological advancements. The future that Wizbl sees is not in front of us. Wizbl will eventually become the necessary financial platform. We are entering an era of grand data, and we must find a solution. When Visa Card handles 24,000 transactions per second, Wizbl guarantees to handle 1 million transactions per second. And also, while Ripple maintains a transaction speed of 3 seconds, Wizbl maintains a real-time transaction speed. Now is the time to use Wizbl. Wizbl is the 5th generation blockchain and offers so much more than just a mere blockchain. Wizbl implements real-time transactions with a specially designed protocol. Our P2P verification system is by far the best and has virtually no risk of hacking. Wizbl does not require additional resources because transactions are verified every second. We call this an extended network. There are endless possibilities in using Wizbl blockchain technology. Wizbl blockchain platform is the first of its kind. We are building our own blockchain ecosystem as the 5th generation blockchain platform that will go beyond Ethereum, stepping forward from ideology to the next generation coins and tokens that will remain in cryptographic markets. There will be many industries using the Wizbl-based platforms, and currently there are 30 family coins under development. In addition, more than 15 direct exchanges and alliances will further expand Wizbl's ecosystem. We have analyzed both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we have found that Wizbl has the strongest security and P2P network by pioneering and exploring countless countries all the way from the Philippines to the United States. The Wizbl era is not a story of just simple planning and incompletion, but a story of success and result. An era that can lead the 4th and 5th industrial revolution and also change lives by creating a safe and comfortable world. The time has come for Wizbl to respond to the world. Take advantage of this opportunity for Wizbl and your future to become one.
So we have set up the entity based in Singapore, and we have the blockchain R&D center and global office in South Korea. And as of today, we have 42 employees. And I'd like to share about what Wizbl has become last couple of years. So we start about the idea back in 2014. And we've been start developing the idea, but let me just highlight a couple of key milestones. Last month, June 8th, we launched our testnet. And this month, August, maybe in next couple of weeks, we are going to launch our mainnet. And as I mentioned, that we have 42 employees, and more than half, 62% of our staff is R&D blockchain research engineers. So we have a very strong technology behind our company, Wizbl. And I think really to come with great blockchain platform, you have to understand not just blockchain, you have to understand finance market and telecommunication, and there are a couple more categories you have to understand. And all our developers has such diversified background. They've been working at the financial market, bank, insurance company, and Korea 3 major the telecommunication carrier. So that was why we were able to come up with 1 million TPS. And let me just go over what is a Wizbl about the background really fast. So we are the peer-to-peer method, the blockchain platform. We have the DApp, smart contract, and we solve the scalability issue. And moreover, all other algorithm that's available on Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have that. And we have the Wizbl token. Pretty much it is utility token that give access to the blockchain platform. And we have the real-time processing wallet. So if you go to Google Play Store, Apple App Store, you can search Wizbl and download the wallet. And we are independent protocol. And I like just talk about a couple of things because we have the multi-layer blockchain platform. It's so easy to add additional features. So we have the expandability. And number 7, we guarantee transaction speed. Because we already have capacity to handle enough 1 million TPS, we can guarantee the speed. And number 8, for the security reason, the new policy renew every second. And because we minimize overload of verification system, even there's many transactions occur at the same time, if we have just a minimum the internet connection, there's no problem. And as I mentioned, that Bitcoin get to 7 transactions per second, Ethereum 20, PayPal 193, Visa 24,000, and Wizbl 1 million transactions. And also we have to talk about the transaction speed, because even we have a lot of the scalability, but if it's slow, nobody gonna use it. So we are 600 times faster than Bitcoin. And as many people are aware that Ripple is one of the best cryptocurrency out there, we are 3.5 times faster than Ripple. And if you have a technical background, maybe you wonder how it's possible, so I'd like to briefly just go over. So when the transaction happen, we use the broadcast method and select the 5 nodes, pretty much first come, first serve. And we do have a 2 verification system. The first step is a smart contract. So each node sends the encrypted data to the individual wallet, and from there, the wallet doing the decoding. And at that moment, each node gets compensated for the fee as the reward for to have the verification. And second verification is over time. Okay, just give me a few more minutes. So after that, it goes to the management of the block production mode. It finalizes the transaction, and after that, the information goes to block creating node, which can create 50 blocks per second, and each node can save about 100,000 transaction history per node. And after that, there's the dissemination of blocks. So each block creates a node to store information of the transaction, and it goes to each wallet by disseminating the information to the network. And let me just show you about the Wizbl Global Roadshow and corporate responsibility. We had the Wizbl 100 in the Philippines, and lately after that we did in Hong Kong, the Wizbl 200, and lately we also did in Seoul, which more than 1,000 people attend. And as a corporate responsibility, it's always important to giving back to community. And as many people know that Manny Pacquiao, one of the legends, the boxer, and also is the senator in the Philippines. And also he on the foundation. He's been doing such a great job on foundation work. So we were really impressed. So actually we, as the part of corporate giving back to community, we did donation to his foundation. And it's the blockchain R&D center. So if you have to in Korea, you would like to visit, just you're welcome anytime. And since Wizbl can do 1 million transactions per second and it's one of the most fastest chain out there, we already have many ICO projects want to be part of using the Wizbl platform. So as of today, we have 10 working together and 20 on the pipeline. And just mention a couple of the good ICO. T-Creation, the CEO used to be ex-Sega USA CEO. And Sellercoin is backed by World Poker Holdings, which is listed in the U.S. market. And I think many people know that Justin Bieber is a shareholder of that company. And this is about our global press. We've been featured on the ICO crowd. And this is a journal, and they call us the Wizbl blockchain platform offering a simple approach for online transaction. And MSNBC, Wizbl, fast and most scalable blockchain is here. NBC 12 and AB7 with 1 million transactions per second. Wizbl is stepping into global crypto arena as a real game changer. I know I'm a little bit over time, so this is what I have for today. We have a booth outside, just right after the gate. So if you have any question, you're more than welcome to stop by. Thank you so much.